Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the repair safe and fast. First, unplug the TV and wait about 10 minutes so capacitors discharge. This prevents shock. Put on an anti-static wrist strap and clear a flat, soft workspace to avoid pressure on the panel. Once done, remove the stand and unscrew the rear cover using the correct Torx or Phillips bits. Carefully note whether the glass is cracked or just the backlight. This determines whether you'll examine the T-con board or the front panel next. You now get into the complex middle work. Remove the bezel and protective shielding, keeping screws labeled so reassembly is straightforward. Carefully disconnect LVDS ribbon cables from the T-con board. These often cause lines or partial images when loose. Use a multimeter to check 12V and 24V rails and continuity across ribbon contacts. This tells you if a board or cable failed. If you spot hairline cracks or delamination in the LCD, prepare to replace the entire panel. You finish by reassembling with care. Reconnect every ribbon and cable, reseat the T-con board, and close shields in the reverse order you open them, making sure screws go back to their original locations. Once done, power the TV on before fully sealing the back to confirm the image and backlight are normal. If the screen still fails, use one key troubleshooting step. Swap in a known good T-con or test the backlight LEDs and inverter, because a dark image with sound usually means backlight or inverter failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.